Hey everyone! I hope you're all doing well today. I thought it would be fun to talk about our hobbies and interests. Let's start by introducing ourselves and sharing something we enjoy doing in our free time. I'll go first. My name is Eric, and I love playing the guitar. It's been a passion of mine for years, and I enjoy composing my own music.
Hi Eric, I'm Hannah. That's awesome. I'm into photography. Whenever I have spare time, I grab my camera and explore different places to capture beautiful moments. It's such a creative outlet for me.
Nice to meet you both. I'm Graham. My hobby is cooking. I find it incredibly relaxing and enjoyable to experiment with new recipes and create delicious meals. It's like a form of therapy for me.
Hi, everyone. I'm Cara. I'm really into painting and drawing. It allows me to express myself and brings out my artistic side. I love exploring different techniques and creating colorful artworks.
That's fantastic, Cara. It's great to have such a diverse range of hobbies among us. It seems like we all have unique ways to unwind and express ourselves. Now that we know a bit about each other's hobbies, let's dive deeper and talk about our favorite aspects of them. Hannah, could you share what you enjoy most about photography?
Of course, Eric. One thing I love about photography is the ability to capture fleeting moments and freeze them in time. It's like creating a visual story that can be revisited and shared with others. Plus, the joy of experimenting with different angles, lighting, and compositions adds an extra layer of excitement.
Photography sounds fascinating, Hannah. As for me, what I enjoy most about cooking is the opportunity to be adventurous in the kitchen. Trying out new flavors, spices, and techniques keeps me engaged and inspired. And the best part? Sharing the delicious results with family and friends.
That's amazing, Graham. I totally agree with you on the joy of sharing. When it comes to painting and drawing, my favorite part is the freedom it gives me. There are no rules or restrictions. I can create anything I envision. It's a form of self-expression that allows me to explore my imagination and emotions.
I completely understand what you mean, Cara. Music, for me, is a means of self-expression as well. My favorite part is the way it can evoke emotions and connect with people on a deeper level. Whether it's writing a heartfelt song or performing in front of an audience, music has a way of bringing people together.
It's fascinating to hear how our hobbies all provide unique outlets for self-expression and connection. I think that's what makes them so special. They allow us to tap into our creativity and share a piece of ourselves with the world.
Absolutely, Hannah. Our hobbies not only bring us joy but also enable us to connect with others who appreciate and understand our passions. It's a beautiful way to form connections and create lasting memories.
I couldn't agree more, Graham. It's incredible how hobbies can foster a sense of community and inspire others to pursue their own passions. Sharing our interests with like-minded individuals opens up a whole new world of possibilities.
Well said, Cara. Our hobbies truly enrich our lives and contribute to our personal growth. I'm grateful to have this opportunity to learn from each other and gain a deeper appreciation for our individual interests. Now that we've discussed our favorite hobbies, let's talk about exploring new ones. Have any of you been interested in trying out a different hobby lately?
Actually, Eric, I've been thinking about trying my hand at pottery. I've always admired the artistry and craftsmanship involved in creating ceramic pieces. It seems like a relaxing and tactile activity that could be a great addition to my creative pursuits.
That sounds intriguing, Hannah. Lately, I've been contemplating getting into gardening. The idea of growing my own fruits, vegetables, and herbs is quite appealing. Plus, it's a wonderful way to reconnect with nature and have a sustainable source of fresh produce.
I've been curious about learning a new instrument, specifically the piano. It's a beautiful instrument with such a wide range of musical possibilities. I believe it would complement my artistic endeavors and allow me to explore a different dimension of music.
Those are fantastic ideas, everyone. It's inspiring to hear about your interests in trying something new. As for me, I've been considering taking up dancing. Whether it's salsa, tango, or even hip-hop, I think it would be a fun and energizing way to express myself physically and learn a new skill.
Dancing sounds like a lot of fun, Eric. It's a great way to stay active and let loose. Maybe we can all try out our new hobbies together and support each other along the way.
I love that idea, Hannah. Exploring new hobbies as a group could create a sense of camaraderie and motivate us to keep going. We can share our progress and experiences, helping each other grow in our respective interests.
Count me in too. Having a support system would make the journey of trying new hobbies even more enjoyable. We can encourage and inspire each other to step out of our comfort zones and embrace the excitement of learning something different.
I'm thrilled that we're all open to embracing new hobbies together. It's an opportunity for personal growth and a chance to bond as friends. Let's make a plan to start our new endeavors and embark on this exciting journey of exploration.
Absolutely, Eric. I can't wait to see what we'll discover and create as we venture into these new hobbies. Here's to stepping outside our comfort zones and embracing the joy of learning.
Cheers to that, Hannah. Let's support each other and make the most of this opportunity to expand our horizons. I'm excited to see where our new hobbies take us.
I couldn't agree more, Graham. This is going to be an amazing experience. Let's encourage each other and embrace the thrill of trying something new. I'm excited to embark on this journey with all of you.
Alright, folks, as we venture into our new hobbies, let's make sure we continue to support and encourage one another. Any ideas on how we can do that?
I think a great way to show support is by celebrating each other's milestones. When someone achieves something significant in their hobby, let's cheer them on and acknowledge their hard work. It's important to share the joy and keep the motivation flowing.
Absolutely, Hannah. We can also provide constructive feedback to help each other improve. When someone shares their work or performances, let's offer suggestions and insights that can contribute to their growth. It's all about helping each other become even better at what we love doing.
I agree with both of you. Another way to support each other is by collaborating on projects related to our hobbies. We can combine our skills and create something unique together. For example, Eric, you could compose music while I paint, or Hannah could photograph one of Graham's delicious creations. Collaboration brings fresh perspectives and strengthens our bond as a group.
I love the idea of collaborating, Cara. It'll be exciting to see how our hobbies can intersect and inspire new creations. We can push each other to think outside the box and explore new creative avenues we might not have discovered on our own.
And let's not forget about sharing knowledge. We can take turns teaching the others about our hobbies. It could be a mini workshop or a demonstration where we exchange skills and techniques. Learning from each other will expand our horizons and deepen our appreciation for different hobbies.
That's a great point, Hannah. We can also provide emotional support during challenging times. Whenever one of us faces a setback or feels discouraged, let's be there with uplifting words, motivational quotes, or simply reminding them of how far they've come. Encouragement can make a world of difference.
Absolutely, Graham. Sometimes a kind word or a gentle nudge is all it takes to lift someone's spirits. Let's be each other's cheerleaders, offering support and motivation whenever needed. Together, we can conquer any obstacles that come our way.
I couldn't agree more, Cara. We are here not just as friends, but as a community of individuals who share common passions. Let's create an environment where we uplift, inspire, and celebrate each other's hobbies. Our collective support will make the journey even more fulfilling.
So true, Eric. With our combined enthusiasm and support, we can achieve incredible things in our hobbies. Let's keep the positive energy flowing and continue to grow together.
I'm thrilled to be part of this supportive group. We have a wonderful opportunity to nurture our hobbies, learn from each other, and create lasting memories. Let's embrace the journey with open hearts and help each other reach new heights.
Absolutely, Graham. This is going to be an amazing adventure. I'm grateful for this opportunity to share our hobbies, inspire each other, and create a strong bond within our group. I can't wait to see what we'll accomplish together.
Cheers to that, Cara. Let's embark on this exciting journey of supporting and inspiring each other's hobbies. Our enthusiasm and friendship will undoubtedly make this experience even more rewarding. Here's to our hobbies, our growth, and the incredible friendships we've formed.